Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Just focusing on the micro count in this video because we have a bit of a red day today. As you know, we're waiting for another low anyway on the ETH chart, on the Bitcoin chart. Ethereum gave us a break below the micro support level. Okay, that was at 1665. We even stretched it to 1660 in the last video. So we said we have a first piece of evidence that indeed a top is in place in wave 4 if price breaks below 1660. That happened today, quite aggressively today actually. So it leaves us with two options that I think I mentioned both. No, I think I only mentioned one in the previous video. I mentioned to you the yellow wave count, which is the triangle wave count. I highlighted to you if Ether is going to fail 1660 or is failing 1660 and cannot make another high to around 1723, then we probably have either a triangle playing out here. Yeah, basically a contracting triangle that looks basically like the triangle that could be unfolding on the Bitcoin chart. Yeah, so this is basically the next likely option, or the other option, which is also likely, but we won't know until support breaks. Yeah, the other option is here a WXY structure highlighted in white. I just recorded a Bitcoin video. I explained in the Bitcoin video as well that I'm not in favor of a WXY structure. The reason is, even though it's absolutely possible and also likely, yeah, but if I can choose between the two, I would find a triangle more likely. The reason is that in a WXY, the Y wave would normally go a little bit higher than the wave W. So looking at the triangle, we see this sort of contracting shape, lower highs, higher lows. If price now makes another higher low above the X wave high, above 1590, and then a lower high, yeah, in the E wave, this would be a complete triangle, A, B, C, D, E. The wave 4 would then finish at the end of the E wave. It would mean a little bit more choppy price action, maybe even into the weekend. We will see. However, it is absolutely possible that the wave Y finished this correction. Yeah, that's the white wave count. That's again also likely, just not my preference. You need to understand that in both of these scenarios, we are looking for another low. It would take a break, a sustained break above 1723 to convince us that something more bullish is playing out. At the moment, over the last few days and over the last week, the expectation has been for ETH to make another low below the 17th of August low eventually, okay? So that's the expectation. That's the base case. If the base case changes, we have to look at other microstructures. But at the moment, our base case is for another low. Shouldn't be surprised for anyone. And it's just, the question is just, is it unfolding as a triangle or WXY? These are the two possibilities. From a trading point of view, or anyway, from an analysis point of view, they don't make a difference because in both we would expect lower. It's just the question how much longer we are playing, we are playing in this structure. What would be a confirmation level that we're already heading down? Well, I already gave you the 1590 level, break below that level, but we can also calculate a target for the D wave of the triangle. And if we go below that level, then we have a good confirmation that it is actually already the fifth wave to the downside that is unfolding. So that level is actually at 1626. So if we see a sustained break below that level, and bear in mind it's all probabilities, it's not like, okay, we go to 1625, we definitely will go down. So my language and the analysis always has to represent the uncertainty in the market, right? I can't make any definite calls or anything. The market is just uncertain, right? That's what it is. It's all probabilities. It's probabilities language. So just be aware, we need to, we sometimes confirmation isn't certainty. Just be aware of that, yeah. When anything I say, it all relates to probabilities. But as long as price is below 1723, another low is expected. The question is just, how does this wave 4 play out? WXY or triangle? If it's a WXY, it could already be finished. And either way, whatever I'm saying, it takes a sustained break above 1723 to indicate that a lasting low is in place, that we will not get this fifth wave to the downside to prices below the 17th of August lows. So hopefully that gives you some clarity. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.